Do these product development challenges sound familiar? Will your prototypes scale up to mass production? Sakurai Graphic Systems provides development and prototyping support with an eye toward handling orders beyond the prototype phase. There's no capital investment necessary, and consultations are available even before specifications are finalized. We offer integrated support from process planning to the transition to mass production to enable prototyping that leads into mass production. We work backward from the final products our clients want to create to determine the equipment, know-how, skills, and personnel necessary to make them a reality. We offer more than screen printing. We handle everything from manufacturing process planning and quality planning to commissioned production. We offer planning support for the entire process to help make clients' products a reality. We offer value in 3 main realms: prototype planning, quality planning, and the mass production transition. We work hand in hand with clients, starting as early as figuring out how to produce the product in the first place. We organize processing methods, equipment selection, manufacturing process configurations, the necessary technical requirements, and more to provide support for planning the entire prototyping process. For the transition to mass production, we organize quality criteria like precision, reproducibility, and yield. We also establish in-process inspections and assist with setting mass production quality criteria and building a process management system through operations involved in prototyping. If mass production conditions can be established during prototyping, we can also offer commissioned production based on those conditions. As a result, we serve as your one-stop partner for everything from process planning to prototyping, quality assurance, and mass production. From process planning to mass production, we work hand in hand with our clients. Whether you're pre-prototyping or already further along, get in touch today to find out how we can help.